Good morning, children. Welcome back. Hope you all are fine. Today we will do writing in your writing book, page number 4. Now, children, which alphabet is this? K. K for kangaroo. Now, as you can see in the book, steps are given here. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start, slanting line, round, come down, curve, like this. K for kangaroo. Children, always put date before doing any work. Now, next alphabet is L. L for lion. Now, as you can see, steps are given here. 1, 2, 3. Slanting line, round, come down, like this. L for lion. Now, which alphabet is this? M. M for mango. You like mango? Yes. Now, 1, 2, 3 and 4. See how ma'am is doing? Like again, like this. M for mango. Remember, you have to make M in between these two lines. Now, children, do these two alphabets in one day and these two in one day. Don't do whole page in one day. Okay, do it slowly and neatly. Children, as I've told you earlier, if you don't have this writing book, buy one new English copy and do this work in your English copy. Okay? Now, let's start. N. Which alphabet is this? N. N for nose. Now, see. 1, 2, 3. Again, start. Slanting line, touch the third line, round, like this. N for nose. Again, I'm telling you, children, don't do this whole page in one day. Do these two alphabets in one day and these two in one day. Now, which alphabet is this? O. O for orange. How many of you like orange? Yes. We all like orange very much. If you want to improve your writing, practice to write properly. And children, always use dark pencil like this. Now start. 1, 2 and 3. Again, start. O and then turn like this. O for orange. So, children, if you do your work in a good handwriting, ma'am will give you star. Okay? So, do all your work in a very good handwriting. Again, I am telling you, children, don't do this whole page in one day. Okay? Do these two alphabets in one day and these two in one day. Okay? And again, I'm telling you, if you don't have book, buy one new English copy and do this work in your English copy. Thank you.